Alright everybody, today we're going to be trying the chocolate caramel Kazbars. These are the Hostess brand. It's got chocolate on the top and bottom with a caramel center in the middle with frosting, so all things I like, so I'm excited to try it. So it comes in a little package. This is one Kazbar. So each box is eight bars total. And this looks really good already. It's a good chocolate flavor starting out. Yeah, with like a little bit of caramel as you eat it. Yeah, I do like the chocolate. It's very sweet. Next bite, ooh. Yeah, some more caramel on that one. Yeah, it's tasty. Would make for a good snack for sure. Yeah, so it's a vanilla and caramel flavoring mixed in with chocolate. Yeah, it tastes like a caramel brownie, so it's really good. Yeah, it's a nice small portable size. So I don't feel like I'm eating a ton with this. Yeah, the vanilla cream and caramel is pretty standard. Wouldn't say over the top amazing. And it's kind of covered up by the chocolate cake that's on the top and bottom. So it's like a layer of vanilla just wrapped with chocolate and then just caramel to go with it. Yeah, but it's really good. Not too much. Can't really complain. Yeah, now I really taste the caramel though. Yeah, there's crunchy chocolate and peanut butter pieces in here too, so all good, nice and tasty. Well, we'll hand it off to Kazbars.